is how to claim on damaged or fake customer returns. There are 4 types of claim. Number 1, return not received. Means that your returns did not reach back to you. If your claim falls in return not received type, then Amazon will automatically refund you for that return. Number 2, dispute return status. If status of return showed that delivered on Seller Central, means they said they have received back your parcel from customer and set it back in Seller Central again, but you did not receive it. In this scenario, you have to file claim within 15 days. Number 3, damaged returns. Number 4, wrong item or main unit missing. Means that customer sends you anything else instead of your original item. Matrix for safety claims. You only required matrix for damaged products and wrong items. If you received a damaged customer return, then you have to file claim within 15 days along. Number 1, image of packing slip. Number 2, image of the damaged item outer packaging. Number 3, image of model serial number if available. If you received wrong item, then claim within 15 days along. Number 1, image of packing slip. Number 2, image of the item received outer packaging. Number 3, image of model serial number if available. Let's move how TO file claim. Open your Seller Central. Then go and manage safety claims. Then click on File a new safety claim. A new dashboard will open. Enter your order ID. Then click on Check Eligibility. If there shows a green ticket, means you are eligible to file this claim. Hence select XYZ scenario from Indicate Reason section. Then describe your issue in Describe Issue section. Then click on I confirm. Then click on Submit Safety Claim. Within next 48 hours your claim will be settled if you claim properly. Note: if you face any problem in customer returns on Amazon, you can file claim within 15 days. I advise you not to file claim on every customer return. If you do so, then there are chances that Amazon may suspend your account, or maybe Amazon closed your claim window. If you find it informative, then share it with others.